What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping into our channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. But today I'm going to be trying out a new JaxWax product because I'm getting ready to leave for vacation, and it should help my truck look way cleaner. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to go ahead and jump into a quick detail real quick, and then we'll get into trying out this product. So I'm going to do a quick time-lapse washing it and jump right into it. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so what I've got here is JaxWax Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, and I don't know if you guys can see. You should be able to. That's brake dust. It's on my fingers. It's on here. I didn't scrub the wheels or anything because it would mostly come on, but I'm having issues with it a lot on the front of this truck. So I figured to get the JaxWax Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, spray it on here. So spray it on here till it turns purple, scrub them, and then rinse it off, and it comes off like crazy. So I'm going to do probably the front set and do the back set later because it's starting to get dark, and go from there. So yeah. Then I'll let her dry and I'll come back and show you guys the results. Okay guys, they're pretty much so dry. There's still some water laying on them, but as you can see they're pretty much so dry. I got my finger across them, and all you can see is the dew. So they are spotless. I don't know if that will keep the brake dust from coming off or from sticking. It probably won't, but it will at least take it off like that. No issues, 100% gone, versus me like scrubbing it, just normal scrubbing it and getting like maybe half of it off. But yeah guys, she is shined up and ready to go. So ready to go on vacation. You guys will probably see this after we get back from vacation, because I'm filming in advance. But yeah, she's all shined up. I should do a video on how to keep this thing so clean. There's a spider hanging off my camera. Just to let you know, she's all shined up, and that stuff right there is the best Dura dressing. You guys should get you some of that. I'll put in the link in the description below. That stuff's awesome, guys. Keeps your tires looking like there's water on them, even though there is a little bit of water on them in general right now. But the truck is looking shining good, and it is getting dark. It's supposed to rain some tomorrow. Put her back away back here for now. Keep her all shined up and good to go for the trip, guys. And again, I'll take you guys along for some of that trip too, and show you guys stuff with my camper, because that's what we're doing this, using a tow pig here for towing the camper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. JaxWax Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, I think that's what it was called. Should know what the product was called when I'm trying it, shouldn't I? It's Ultimate something something. JaxWax Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. And it's supposed to, and the main thing for that is eating brake dust away, because that's the biggest thing. It's on your rims, you know. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Got the truck. She is shining, and I'm happy with her because she was absolutely filthy. Here later on this summer, I need to give her a good wax, get her all polished up, and get her good looking. I'll probably even do like the super citrus in the wheel wells and stuff, getting their show quality at some point here, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.